If you've ever been to Universal Orlando, or if you've just watched vlogs of Universal Orlando, you've probably seen tons of Coca-Cola Freestyle machines in a cup that looks something like this. In my opinion, they're one of the best things in the parks. So Universal offers these Freestyle Cups that are refillable at pretty much any quick service food location or any snack cart throughout the parks. You can even place a mobile order for one at the quick service restaurants where you can place mobile orders. They are currently selling for $17.99, but the price of a cup goes down with the more cups that you purchase. So if you have a big family and you're planning on buying more than one cup or think that you might need more than one cup, go ahead and buy them at the same time because it's going to be more cost effective that way. What these cups do is they allow you to go to any freestyle machine in the park, which they're everywhere except for in the Harry Potter parts of the park. And you can take these and you sit them down and you refill your cup with whatever you want all day long. So for $18, that's a pretty good deal, especially considering how much sodas cost if you're just gonna like buy one with your meal. Since you get your free refills throughout the day, I would really make sure that I went and purchased my cup first thing in the morning when I got to the park. You really want to get all day's use out of it, right? So go ahead and buy it as soon as you get in there so that you're not wasting any time. You get free refills every 10 minutes. So honestly, we only have one cup that we share when we go to the parks. We don't activate two, we just activate one and we share it. 10 minutes is plenty of time for us to share a drink and then go get a new one. So speaking of reactivating your cup, you only get 1 day's worth of use for the $18. So you get the cup and 1 day of refills for $18. But Universal does let you reactivate the cup, which is super, super nice. So if you're in the park for multiple days, you can reactivate it the next day. If you're in the park 3 months from now, you can reactivate it 3 months from now. To reactivate your cup, you just bring it back with you and you go to one of those quick service locations or one of the snack carts and they will reactivate it for you for $11 a day. Again, make sure you do it in the morning time because you don't want to wait until like 12 o'clock to reactivate your cup and then only get half a day's of use out of it, you know? Like reactivate it as soon as you get into the park. You can also do a mobile order for reactivation. So I highly suggest mobile ordering anytime that you can. It saves you so much time. So that's how I would do it. So I mentioned that you can like take it home and use it 3 months later, and that's fantastic. And we do that. But here's a little pro tip. Don't put coffee in your Freestyle cup because this is cheap plastic. And with this cheap plastic, it really holds the taste of coffee. So used it as a coffee cup. I was like, oh, I'm gonna use my Universal mug as a little coffee cup. It's gonna be so cute. Yeah, it is, until you take this back to the park and you try to fill it with vitamin water and then it tastes like half coffee. So don't do that. And then my favorite thing about the Freestyle machines doesn't have anything to do with the Freestyle cup. You don't have to pay $18 for that Freestyle cup. On a regular everyday basis, I pretty much only drink water and coffee. And I wish this would work for coffee, but it doesn't. It only works for water. If you're only gonna drink water in the parks, bring your own cup. And the reason that you want to bring your own cup to the parks is because you can go to any Freestyle machine and get water for free. Ice and water, which is huge to me because I need ice in my water. So if you bring your own cup, you can literally walk up to any of the Freestyle machines throughout the park, get yourself some ice, get yourself some water, and it's totally free. Nothing needs to be activated. Just bring your own cup. A very important thing here if you're going to be riding rides is you need to make sure the cup that you bring is able to fit into ride lockers. Universal obviously has these cups that will fit into the ride lockers, but if you bring your own, you have to make sure that they are either soft and collapsible and you can easily put them in your bag, your fanny pack, or the ride locker, or you need to make sure that it fits within the dimensions of the lockers. The worst thing ever is having to carry around a cup and like not know if you're going to be able to put it in the locker when you go on Velocicoaster. A really, really good tip is to bring collapsible cups because if you have a collapsible cup, you can easily fold that down and either put it in a fanny pack and not even have to use a locker for most of the rides, or you can put it in literally any locker because it's gonna fit anywhere. Just make sure your collapsible cup has a lid on it because if not, it's gonna get really gross. So that is why Freestyle machines are some of the best things in the parks and why they're one of our favorite money-saving tips when we go to the parks. If you're looking for more ways to save on your Universal vacation, I have a video right here for you. And if you like free things, which I'm assuming we all do, check out this video of the Orlando Informer meetup because it is fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more Universal content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.